Hello, hope you are doing great. So today I will show you how to install Next.js into your computer. So going to Next.js, and this is the website. So getting started and then install. This is the command line code. So we will create a folder. This one is the folder. Just open in terminal and then open it into our visual code. So this one, and then go to terminal and then copy this one and then paste this one. Okay, so you will see this is the error. Okay, so now you will go to command prompt, then init, yes, okay, and then npm install express, and now click the latest version. Okay, then y, and then app name next project, yes, 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 no, approved, yes, yes, no. Okay, now it will install the Next.js. It will take some time to install it properly. So you need to follow this instruction. So sometimes after Node.js install, if you install Node.js, then this type of problem is occur. So just npm init y and then npm install express. So this two line of command line you will just install, and then you will see the create new next app. This is the following format. So just wait a bit. Okay, you will see it's installed successfully. So now this is, you will see here is the next project. All the projects are installed successfully. So now we need to go to that folder, cd next project. Now we are in the next project folder, and now npm run dev, oh sorry, npm run dev. Okay, you will see this is running, and then follow the link. Okay, you see it's successfully installed into our computer. So we will build a new project in the next few 6 or 7 tutorials. So you just follow my channel for the next project episode. So thank you, have a good day, bye bye.